Back in 2013, I had the opportunity when I was working at a global consulting house to work on Australia's first large APRA-regulated program moving to cloud. What was really interesting about that whole journey was the focus on the operating model, the importance of the operating model, understanding what the impact of people would be when they would start to use cloud. And that in fact, getting that right was more important or just as important as the technology itself. I had the opportunity in 2014 to move to AWS, where I ran a global consulting team focused on cloud operations and cloud integration. This operating model challenge of how do we change how our people are organized and how they work kept coming up as a real key barrier to people getting the value they were expecting from their cloud migrations, cloud adoption. Fast forward to 2019, and I looked at the partner landscape in Australia, and really there was no one with a singular focus on this. And to do cloud operating model work really effectively, there's three things you've got to nail. You've got to really be great at enterprise transformation and change. You've got to really understand in detail hyperscale cloud and its use cases and how it would be used to deliver value. But critically, when you're working on the operating model, you can't have half an eye on some other goal that you have, such as doing large-scale migrations or selling a managed service, because there'll be many other providers in the customer organization and you've got to work across all of them. As soon as you become competition, that's a real problem. And it'll just mean that the operating model starts to be skewed to one solution or the other. So we wanted to build this real, singular focus, independent partner advisory practice that would deliver huge value to our customers.